that's it, folks. There she is. And it is delivery day today. As promised, this truck is unrecognizable from the start of this video. Our guys did some amazing work, as you saw throughout this video, and this truck came out really, really well. As you can see, we've got that beautiful XR4 decal on the back. We've got the fender flares, those beautiful fuel vector rims. We've got the RBP running boards, the Air Design body kit. We've got the Air Design floor mats on the inside. We've got the beautiful cat skin leather on the inside as well. So again, guys, this truck came out really, really well. If this is something you're interested in, definitely send me an email. Again, the only thing that we have left to show here now is the customer taking the keys and driving away with his beautiful new truck for the last time. So stay tuned for that. But again, as mentioned, if there's any information you want or any questions you have, leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to answer that right away. Again, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. I look forward to hearing back from you. Bye for now.